Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Android Studio and a compatible JDK. Once done, open SDK Manager immediately from Configure or File Settings. You need to note the current SDK path shown at the top because missing or wrong paths cause most failures. If the path is empty or points to an old install, make a mental note to change it. Next, scan the platforms and SDK tools lists to identify exactly which packages are missing, so you can install them. Now proceed to install or reconfigure the SDK. Select the specific SDK platforms you need and check Platform Tools and Build Tools under SDK Tools, then click Apply to download. You must accept licenses. If the SDK path was incorrect, click Edit or Browse and point to an existing Android/SDK folder or create one and let the manager populate it. Make sure firewall or proxy settings allow downloads. If you use a proxy, configure it in settings so the SDK manager can fetch files. Finish by validating the setup. Restart Android Studio and open Project Structure to confirm the SDK is recognized. Once Studio restarts, build a small project or run an emulator to ensure tools work. If the IDE still complains, run SDK Manager List or Flutter Doctor from the command line to see missing pieces. Make sure Android Home or Android SDK root environment variables point to the same SDK folder. If downloads fail, temporarily disable VPN or adjust proxy and retry. That often resolves stubborn missing package errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.